T11.2. You are thinking of conducting a one-sample t-test about a population mean mu using a 0.05 significance level. Which of the following statements is correct? Choice A. You should not carry out the test if the sample does not have a normal distribution. All right, this statement is false. The sample most likely won't have a perfectly normal distribution, but you can still carry out the test if you have a large sample, so 30 or more, because central limit theorem would apply, or as long as the sample data have no strong skew or outliers. Okay. All right, statement B. You can safely carry out the test if there are no outliers, regardless of the sample size. I'm going to put a question mark there. This is kind of true, but they don't mention the strong skewness. So I'll wait and see if there's a better answer choice. All right, statement C. You can carry out the test if a graph of the data shows no strong skewness, regardless of the sample size. Okay, so I wish B and C were combined into one statement, and they talked about the no outliers and no strong skewness together. I'm not sure why they're, yeah, let's just keep going. You can carry out the test only if the population standard deviation is known. That is false. In fact, every time you do a t-test, you don't know the population SD, and you always estimate it using the sample SD. All right, last statement E. You can safely carry out the test if your sample size is at least 30. All right, well, that is technically true, right? That's using the central limit theorem to satisfy one of the conditions. So we call it the normal/large sample condition. Okay, so of the choices, B and C I kind of liked, but I felt that each one was kind of incomplete. E, though, is a true statement, right? If your sample size is at least 30, right, you can carry out the test because you'll meet the conditions by central limit theorem.